It's often said the fortune's in the follow-up, and it's so true as it relates to your pure romance business. But how do you get it done? Well, we've got a really simple system that's easy to follow. You're gonna follow up with a customer that placed an order with you within 2 days. And then after that, send her another text message in 2 weeks. And then after that, you're gonna send her a text message every 2 months. But what do you say? And that's typically what happens with consultants. They just don't know what to say and they don't know how to reach out. Well, we've solved that for you. Let's take a look at a message that you can send within 2 days of a customer placing an order. Awesome, right? Simple, short and sweet, gets to the point, but it makes sure it keeps that communication flowing, and she has your number in her phone, or at least in her text log. Now the next one is within 2 weeks of her placing the order. Let's take a look. Now this message again reaches out again and asks if she has any questions, which is really super important to keep that dialogue going. Now you don't want to just stop there, and I know some follow-up programs do, but at Pure Romance we want you to be in constant contact with your clients. You worked hard to get them, so be sure you're supporting them and make a relationship for life, right? So every 2 months you can follow up and send yet another text message to her to let her know that you're thinking about her. Now these can vary, but I'm going to give you a couple of examples. Here's the first one. This is a basic one that you can send every 2 months. Now, if you want to be an overachiever and you want to mix up that messaging, here's another one. Shows you can take a sexual health hook to it. And then one more. Here's the deal. Just having that touch base, that text message that shows up in her phone says, hey, I'm still here, your Pure Romance consultant, I'm thinking about you, and I'm here to support you and answer any questions that you have, and of course, help you reorder your favorites. So keep your follow-up system simple. We've got the verbiage for you. You're gonna find it on the training site for pureromance.com. So if you didn't catch these messages, you're gonna find a whole host of them right there under that follow-up program we talked about at Success Strategy Weekend. Make it happen. Remember, the fortune is in the follow-up.